Be camping in the backyard with the tent that I got to see if it's good enough to withstand this storm. It's supposed to hit around 7 to 8 o'clock tonight, and it's supposed to be some heavy rain, some lightning, some little bit of wind. Don't know what they're calling for just yet, so I'm just wanting to see if this tent holds up. So this is a Ozark Trail tent that me and Brooks we camped at with our first camping trip with me and him ever did, and it rained a little bit, but it wasn't like a big storm. So I wanted to see how this holds up. It says it's good, but we're gonna put it to the test tonight. Brooks wants to camp with me, but he's a little sick, so I don't know if he's gonna be able to camp out. So I got my daughter's mattress out here. The storm is getting darker over there. Look at this. I'm going to show you this, how dark it is. The camera ain't doing justice how dark it really is. Look at that. Very dark. Compared to that, look, it's little blue clouds and darkness. Smells like campfire out here. So I made me a grilled cheese turkey sandwich that I'm going to be eating inside. Once I'm done with that, I am going to be staying outside and watch some TV on my phone, TV on my computer. Hear a little slight thunder over in that direction. You can see how dark it is. For comparison, because the camera ain't going to pick it up, look how bright it is over there. Slow. Thought I just saw a lightning flash. And that's... I wonder... Yeah. That probably is a wolf spider. This red is bright. But look outside. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, he's running. There you go. You see the way it looks right there, but the storm, it says right there, rain in the next 19 minutes. So I got my laptop. I'm gonna watch some NASCAR and enjoy my Saturday night in a tent and wait for it to rain that it said it was supposed to do. Hearing some thunder. I'm keeping my eye out on the north side. It looks like it's picking up some. The wind's a little bit blowing outside. Don't know if it's going to be anything. Good night.
Daddy, how do I get in?
Oh, do I have a visitor?
It's me.
What? I guess Bricks is coming to stay with me tonight.
Busting it.
Hold on, buddy.
If I could jump right into a window.
Yeah, so Bricks is joining me on this trip.
Oh, no.
Okay, watch out for my laptop, buddy.
What, you bring your laptop?
Yeah, I brought my laptop so we can watch NASCAR.
There's a big old wreck.
Oh, there was?
Yeah.
I haven't even watched it yet. Don't know if you guys can hear the rain. It is coming down now. Bricks went to go try to get a little snack from inside. But yeah, it's coming down now. So the app was correct. It's going to be raining in 19 minutes. And 15 minutes. Hey, bud. Oh, there's an airplane. Airplane. The storm is still north of us.
Now look, I see a lightning bug.
And you see, it is raining on the 10th. Yeah.
What it means?
You can see it's still holding up.
Oh, there's one. And the bushes.
I gotta bring this down. Me and Brooks' first time actually. No, I'm talking about. I know camping, yes, but I'm talking about actually camping during a thunderstorm. So, and Brooks, he doesn't like it, do you?
No. I hate storms.
No, he likes storms. He's the weatherman.
I hate storms. I hate storms. I hate storms.
Well,
I like to go hide under my pillow.
so good.
Hi. I'm hiding.
That's my blanket pillow.
Oh. Am I?
It's gonna see if I can see any lightning. It just lightning before, and it lit up the whole sky. I don't know if it will do it this time, but I'm hoping. Okay. Trying to see if this lightning happens. Let's see if it's coming from this way. Just woke up. Coming down. Oh man. Good morning. Just a little update. It is dry. It is dry in here. You still see I don't know if you can see the water on the outside. So on the outside, there's a lot of rain right there. Right here. I opened the tent. Get some air. Brooks already went inside. He had to use the restroom. That's another plus about sleeping in the backyard is you can go to the restroom. You can go to the restroom whenever you want to. So open the door. Unlimited food. See the sun coming up.